Welcome to Botanic Healthcare, a global nutraceutical leader where innovation meets precision. With a strong presence across India, USA, Australia, New Zealand, South Korea and Germany, we deliver world-class quality through our advanced state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. In our specialized liposomal unit, excellence is engineered at every step. Our skilled professionals adhere to strict GMP standards and every batch is meticulously validated to ensure superior quality and safety. Advanced spray drying transforms delicate formulations into stable, bioavailable powders captured at the peak of purity. Our ISO-classified clean rooms are designed for ultra-clean processing. From pass-box transfers to sterile gowning, every step reflects our commitment to uncompromised hygiene.
It was the first time to visit the inside of this facility. I'm really impressed. So the machine is very maintenance, and maybe we expect to get the good quality of product from here.
Botanic Healthcare's Lipsobio, a scientifically formulated liposomes for superior absorption. Lipsobio liposomes, powered by patent-filed dietary fiber stabilized DFS technology, are engineered for superior bioavailability, stability, and encapsulation efficiency through our optimized phospholipid composition. Lipsobio liposomes are validated using cryo-EM, cryogenic electron microscopy, enabling high-resolution imaging to confirm their size, shape, and structural integrity. Lipsobio liposomes are validated using TEM, transmission electron microscopy, confirming uniform vesicle size, intact bilayer structure, and effective liposome formation. Lipsobio liposomes are validated using zeta potential analysis, confirming surface charge and stability, indicating low aggregation and good dispersion. Lipsobio liposomes demonstrate a low PDI polydispersity index indicating uniformity and formulation stability, while their optimal Z average size ensures well-dispersed and consistent nanoscale delivery. Lipsobio samples undergo testing at accredited third-party labs, including Claire Scientific Analysis Research Institute, South Korea, where TEM analysis confirms liposome uniformity, size consistency, and structural integrity. Lipsobio samples undergo testing at the prestigious University of Barcelona, where TEM analysis reveals stable liposomes with intact bilayers, confirming their authenticity as true liposomes in comparison to competitor samples. Lipomac delivers 2.36 times greater bioavailability than standard vitamin C, as confirmed by a clinical study showing significantly higher Cmax and AUC values in healthy adults. Trusted worldwide for liposomal excellence. Botanic Healthcare. Science you can trust.